Search for run. Click it. Here you need to type the following text: MSINFO32. Click OK. The system information page will appear. In this you have seen the BIOS mode is there. It should be in the UEFI mode. Make sure it is important settings, and after go to secure boot state. It should be in on state. Okay, need to check the two settings. After checking, you need to close it, and now you need to search for run. Type the following text: tpm.msc. Type it and click enter. You have seen the status is there. The TPM is already for use. It should be in like this. Okay, it should be in ready to use. If it's not, means you need to refresh it. Once confirm it, it should be in ready to use. After that, you need to open the real client and check. If still the remains same, means you need to go to app and go to install app. In this, scroll down, and if you have seen the Riot Vanguard is there, you need to uninstall it. So don't panic. It should be automatically reinstalled once you open the Riot client. So you can uninstall. The account will be safe. There is no problem with account. Just you need to uninstall the Riot Vanguard. After that, you need to open the Riot game. It should automatically ask to install. So I am doing like this. So I am opening the Riot client. Once opening, after it asking for update, so you can see the install Vanguard is there. You need to click it. Once you clicking, means it will automatically install the Vanguard. Now it's installing right now. Wait for a couple of seconds to install completely. After installing, you can check. It will fix the issues maximum. And you need to restart your PC once installing. After, you can see now in install app. It is installed. It's installed. You have seen now. So once installing, after, you need to restart your PC, and after that you need to check it. Thank you.